What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Gallade from Pokemon. Let's get started along the top of our page with the bottom edge of the headpiece. We start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes across, down, and then we'll just bend that in. And now we're going to add those spikes on the side of the head. Starting from this point, angle up and out. Just going to bring this down and in towards the side of the head. Let's add one more spike. Come down and out, go up and in. Now we want to tuck the head in underneath, leaving a little overlap along the bottom. So we're going to start out here, curve this down, and then just bend that up. And now we'll tuck the eye in underneath this edge. Starting up here, draw a half circle, coming around, and then pull that up. Let's add in the iris. Starting from the very top, we're going to draw a half oval, coming around, and then back up. Let's add a small half circle along the top for a highlight. And we'll draw another smaller half oval underneath the highlight for the pupil, and we'll fill that in black. Now we're going to move up and draw the top edge of the head. Starting up here, curve up towards the top, round this out, come down and then in towards that bottom point. And then from here, we're going to draw that large fin along the top of the head. Let's start from this side, curve this up, across, and then out towards a point. And we'll bring this point coming in and then down, just on top of the head. Let's add that trim along the outside. Starting up here, we're just going to go out. I just want to taper this down towards that bottom point. Now I'm going to draw the outside edge of the headpiece. Starting up here, curve this out, bend this down, and then back in. Now you want to draw that same point over on the right side in behind the head. So we're just going to line this up, and go up and out with a short line, come down and in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the neck. Leaving a gap in the center, we're going to draw two straight lines coming down towards the shoulder, and then we'll round out the shoulder, going out and then down. Let's go back over towards the left side, step down and curve the body, coming in and then down towards the hip. Now I'm going to move to the center, draw a straight line coming down, and then we'll add that fin. From the top, go straight out, and we'll curve this down and then in towards the bottom. Now underneath that fin, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the hip. Let's round out the hips. On the left side, we're going to curve this out, come down, and then bend that in, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now we want to leave a gap along the sides and draw another curve. Starting on the left, come down, and then up. Let's add that trim in the center of the body. Starting over on the left, angle down and in towards the middle, and then angle this back up towards the right. Now let's move over and draw on the left leg. From this point, we're going to step up, curve the top of the leg coming down, bending that out towards the knee, and we'll curve the leg going out, and then down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go all the way over towards the right side, step up, curve the leg going out, and then bring that down towards the same height. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, come in, and then bend that up. Now we're going to close off the inside of the leg. Starting from the inside of the left foot, curve this out and then up towards the top. It's going to bend this up and in underneath the body. Now we go over towards the right side, curve this out, and bring that down toward the inside of the right leg. Now you want to separate the toes. On the left side, step in, curve up and in, leave a gap, and draw that twice. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting from the inside, and then we'll move out and do that again. Now let's go back up and draw on the top of the arms. Starting from the base of the shoulder, curve the arm coming down, and then out. And then on the right side, we're just going to curve across, and then up. Let's go back to the top of the body, step down. We're going to follow that same curve, coming down and then out towards the wrist. And then from the side of the fin, follow that same curve, going out towards the right. Now from here, we're going to draw those two large blades. We'll start from the bottom of the wrist, step in, curve this down and in. I'm going to bring this all the way around, out, up, towards the top. And we'll do the same thing on the right. From the wrist, step in, curve down and in. We'll bend this out, and all the way up towards the top. Let's bring in the first finger. Curving in and then down with a short line on either side. Now from the tip, we're going to step down, curve up and in. And then again, we'll just pull that in and then down. Let's add one more finger. From the tip, step down, curve up and in. I'm just going to curve this around and then down. Let's bring this back in towards the top of the arm. So we're going to curve this down, and we just want to leave a little overlap along the end. And then finally, we're going to add another fin along the back. Just going to line up the bottom, curve this out and up in behind the arm, and that's pretty much it. There's Gallade from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.